Understanding mold making, an essential craft. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel, where we break down common phrases and terms to help you expand your vocabulary and understanding of English. Today, we are exploring the phrase, mold making. It's a term you might come across in various contexts, from industrial to creative arts. So, let's dive in and learn about what mold making means and how it's used in everyday language. Mold making refers to the process of creating a mold or form that can be used to shape liquid or pliable materials such as plastic, metal, ceramic, or glass into a desired shape. It's a technique used in manufacturing to reproduce complex or intricate designs with precision and consistency. The process of mold making typically involves several steps. 1. Designing the mold. This is the first step where the desired shape of the final product is conceptualized and designed. 2. Creating a pattern. A pattern is made which resembles the final product. It's often made of wood, plastic, or metal. 3. Forming the mold. Using the pattern, the mold is formed. Materials like silicone, rubber, or metal are used to create the cavity or form which will shape the final product. 4. Pouring the material. Once the mold is ready, the chosen material is poured into it and allowed to set or harden. 5. Releasing the final product. After the material has set, the final product is removed from the mold, revealing the reproduction of the original design. Mold making is vital in many industries. Here are a few examples where mold making is crucial. Manufacturing. For producing parts in automotive, aerospace, and consumer goods. Construction. Concrete molds are used for creating panels, supports, and other structural elements. Art. Sculptors use molds to create replicas of their work in different materials. Medicine. Molds are used for making prosthetic limbs, dental restorations, and more. Understanding the term, mold making, can be particularly useful for students of English who are interested in engineering, manufacturing, construction, or art. It's a technical term that can help in understanding the production process of many objects we use in daily life. Thank you for watching our video on mold making. We hope that this explanation has shed light on a term that you may encounter in various fields. Remember, learning such phrases can greatly enhance your English comprehension and allow you to engage more deeply with different subjects. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.